Hello students. So in this lecture session we shall deal with circles for class 11. Let me consider a circle with center h comma k and consider a point xy on the circumference of the circle. Now if I join these 2 points, this happens to be the radius. Now using distance formula, that is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square, the whole under root is the radius. Squaring both the sides, I get x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square. Now this is the equation of the circle in standard form. If the circle, that is the center of the circle, happens to be at the origin. Now I have the x-axis and the y-axis. So this is x and this is y. And if the center of the circle is at the origin, then h and k would be 0. So substitute h and k equal to 0. I get x square plus y square equals r square. So this would be the equation of the circle where the center of the circle is at the origin. So with these 2 equations, let us solve a few problems. So we need to find the equation of a circle with center 2, 4 and radius equal to 5. So here h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 4 and r is equal to 5. So substituting these values in the equation, you get x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square equals 5 square. Now this is a minus b whole square formula, so you get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equals 25. So 4 plus 16 is 20. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y. So this is 20. If I bring 25 to LHS, it becomes minus 25. So 20 minus 25 would give me minus 5. Minus 5 equals 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with center a cos alpha, a sin alpha and radius is a. So h is this, k is this. So x minus a cos alpha the whole square plus y minus a sin alpha the whole square equals the radius square, which is a square. So I have x square minus 2ab, right? This is of the form a minus b the whole square. So 2a x cos alpha plus a square cos square alpha plus y square minus 2 ay sin alpha plus a square sin square alpha equals a square. So x square plus y square minus 2ax cos alpha minus 2ay sin alpha. So here these 2 terms, what is common? A square is common. So I get sin squared alpha plus cos squared alpha minus a square. I bring this to LHS equals 0. So this is 1. So a square minus a square gets cancelled. So the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 2ax cos alpha minus 2ay sin alpha equals 0. Center is minus a minus b and radius is root of a square minus b square. So here I have x minus, h is minus a. So whenever the center is negative, so minus into minus will give me plus the whole square plus y minus minus b the whole square equals root of a square minus b square, the root whole square. So this will be x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square equals a square minus b square. So this is x square plus 2ax plus a square plus y square plus 2by plus b square. I bring these 2 to LHS. So plus a square becomes minus a square, minus b square becomes plus b square equals 0. A square minus a square gets cancelled. So you have x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square equals 0. So center is the origin and radius equals 4. So h and k is 0. So I have x square plus y square equals 4 square. So x square plus y square, 4 square is 16. I bring it to LHS, it is minus 16 equals 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Now given the equation of the circle, how do we find the center as well as the radius? So I have to compare these two equations. So 9 can be written as 3 square. So this is x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square. So instead of h I have 3, instead of k I have 1. So h comma k, the center is 3 comma 1 and the radius is 3. A very easy problem. Now this is the equation of the circle and I need to represent this in this format. So I have x minus half the whole square plus I need y minus. So I can write it as minus 1 by 3 the whole square, because minus into minus will give me plus, equals 1 by 4 the whole square. So what is the center? Instead of h I have 1 by 2. Instead of k I have minus 1 by 3. So this is the center. The radius is 1 by 4. So find the equation of the circle whose center is 2 comma minus 5 and passes through the point 3 comma 2. So there is a circle, the center is 2 comma minus 5 and the circle passes through the point 3 comma 2. Right. So here h and k is 2 minus 5 and I have a point on the circle. So I need to find the radius. So we find the radius using the distance formula. So what is r? R is x2 minus x1, 3 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 5 the whole square. 3 minus 2 is 1 square plus 5 plus 2 is 7 square the whole root. So this is root 49 plus 1 is 50. So r is root 50. So now we have the values h and k as 2 and minus 5 and the radius is root 50. So let me substitute these values in the equation. X minus h is 2 the whole square plus y minus k is minus 5 the whole square equals root 50 the whole square. So I have x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square. So this is y plus 5, isn't it? So this is plus 10y plus 25 equals 50. So you have x square plus y square minus 4x plus 10y. 4 plus 25 is 29 and 50, when I bring it to LHS it becomes minus 50. So minus 50 plus 29 would give me minus 21 equals 0. So this is the equation of the circle.